With a net worth of $250 million, Daniel Goldman is one of the wealthiest members of Congress, and he's a very active stock trader. Due to his power and influence, I track all of his trades very closely, and recently, I found something that could have massive implications on New York's commercial real estate market. Of all of the 435 congresspeople, Daniel Goldman has made more trades than any other. But one specific trade that stood out to me was Goldman's purchase of a company called the SL Green Corporation back in late March. SL Green is a commercial real estate company based in New York City. In fact, it's New York's largest office landlord, with stakes in over 60 buildings and over 28 million square feet of office space in Manhattan alone. The COVID-19 pandemic dropped the share price of SL Green stock by more than 60% in nearly 2 months. And that trend has continued into the present day, with SL Green share prices dropping by more than 70% since the beginning of the pandemic. You also don't have to work in finance or investing to see these headlines. That office real estate is dead, that the commercial real estate industry is a ticking time bomb. Even the Wall Street Journal found that people hate to commute to work. So why would this multimillionaire congressman invest in SL Green? Obviously, we can't say for sure. However, despite the dramatic downturn in the value of SL Green stock and other office landlords, is it possible that the commercial real estate market has bottomed out? Could these companies rebound? Here's a few things to keep in mind. First, last week, SL Green sold 50% of one of its properties, 245 Park Avenue, to a Japanese development company called the Mori Trust at a valuation of $2 billion. SL Green isn't the only office landlord in the commercial real estate game. In fact, one of their counterparts, Vornado, had even more dramatic losses during the pandemic, with their shares dropping by more than 80% since February 2020. Nevertheless, instead of waiting around for commercial real estate to rebound, Vornado has invested $1.2 billion into renovating their buildings near Penn Station. Well, why near Penn Station? Vornado is banking on New York City to develop its train lines to Penn Station from Westchester, New York, Connecticut, and New Jersey as part of the Gateway Project, one of the most important infrastructure projects in the United States. If New York City officials make the commute a little bit easier, New York might return to some semblance of its pre-COVID state. Yet commercial real estate has never been more accessible. In fact, 17% of all commercial real estate in New York is available or about to be available. Nevertheless, it seems like Goldman and others believe that the commercial real estate market has bottomed out. But what do you guys think? Check out Quiver to see what else congressmen are buying, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.